Looking for space-saving, multifunctional kitchen gadgets that make life easier? In this video, I've rounded up some awesome finds that will boost your happiness in the kitchen. First up, we've got a 10-in-1 pair of scissors. They can cut packaging, paper, fabric, even fruit. They double as a fish scaler, bottle opener, nutcracker, wire stripper, and screwdriver. Next is a sleek flip-down spice rack that installs easily on your cabinet shelf. Just pull it out, grab what you need, and slide it back to save space. I also found a 6-in-1 foldable cutting board with non-slip strips. It folds to pour ingredients straight into the pot and even works as a knife sharpener and garlic grater. For cleaning, I swear by this mild kitchen spray. Just spray, wipe, and you're done. Tough grease? Leave it on for a bit, then wipe away with ease. I use a mini spray bottle and hidden hooks to stash cleaners and gadgets neatly. And I've swapped my dish soap bottle for a touchless dispenser. Plus, I've got a high-pressure glass washer that makes stubborn stains disappear in seconds. Just press the glass down, and it's good as new. I also added magnetic, hand-swipe cabinet lights with adjustable brightness, so I can finally see under the cabinets. And check out this dual-function oil bottle. It pours on one side and sprays on the other, perfect for healthy cooking. Lastly, I found a 12-piece food storage set with airtight containers that even have a rack to keep the lids organized. No more lost tops. These gadgets have really leveled up my kitchen game, and I hope they do the same for you.